What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. So this is actually a weird situation here. We've got this bathroom sink, toilet. It's a powder room, and down below where the drain all connects, it's a long run. So I'm hoping I can get through with my M12. I got a 35-foot cable in there. Toilet line's fine, but it's just such a long run to connect to the main stack. And below this unit is actually, they have like a basement. It's kind of executive town home type of thing in this building. I don't know, I don't understand it. But we're gonna try snaking this out and see if we can get this cleared. If not, we may have to cut the pipe over there and use the K50. But here's hoping we can get it with this. So let's get set up. Got our Knipex pliers. There's that. Yummy. Alright, I think we got it. A little bit of hair, but nothing major. Actually, it doesn't even look like paper. I don't know why. Maybe I made it into the main stack. Let's put all this back together. Some people give me crap for sometimes I'll snake right down through the top. I only do that typically when it's in an area that has, if it's in like an apartment building where we're higher up and I know the blockage is going to be within 10 feet. Really, probably less than that. But in this situation, second floor, it could be, because we are in an apartment, but I know for a fact where this one goes. But on the second floor, you don't know how far you actually have to go before you hit the main. So yeah, but anytime I do go through the top down, I always check the trap. We have these cheap traps, and if it's corroded at all or got any buildup there on the bottom, I definitely won't go through there. I usually just pull the trap. But yeah, so just a little kind of heads up into my world. So take the brass nut and the gasket or washer, whatever you want to call it. Tighten it up. Now we're going to test it. Plug it up before we drain the water into it, just to make sure we don't let any solids go down there. Yummy. Just gotta fill it up to the overflow. Now that that's clean, fill it up once more. All right. So I basically just like to fill it up. All right. Just to get some clean water in there. Oh. It's a good thing I tested this again. I think I'm going to have to snake it again. Ain't that funny. All right, let's prep this again. Give me a minute. All right. Round two, I guess. So, I don't know if you guys can see, there's no more water coming out. There's water dripping from this pipe. But that's definitely the blockage. I want to make sure I spun it all the way out, just in case. Keep you guys running in real time. Now we're going to do this again. I'm going to fill it up in real time so you guys can see. It's unbelievable. So some people say, this is the mic I use. It's a DJI. This is the Mini. Wait a second. So it's got the transponder right there, attaches to the phone. Sometimes I use the camera, sometimes I use the phone, but honestly, the phone has better quality than my Sony ZV-1. So like I can record in 4K. I don't think I can do that on the camera. I'm not sure though, but I just find this is so much easier. And then when I need to edit it, I can just email the file to me, and then I can edit it that way. So what do you guys think? You're gonna get lucky? So you can see it's pouring down there. Alright, so now we just got to do a little cleanup. Gotta have our trusty shop rags. Water's still running. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'm trying to get to 19,000 right now, but 20,000. And yeah, so if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up like I said, and share it if you think other people will like it. And yeah, until next time, Taravna.